Hey TripGruv family! If you watched our recent Chicago adventure video about how high school improv led to 6 weddings, you know we had an amazing time exploring the Windy City with Christian, Max, and Tessa. Well, we promised you a detailed review of where we stayed. So here's our complete tour of the Hyatt Centric, the Loop Chicago. And make sure to stick around until the end for our complete TripGruv rating. You'll want to see how this hotel stacks up. Let's dive right in. So here's our room at the Hyatt Centric. There's my beautiful wife, Rachel. Storage space is huge. Look at this closet. I could have slept in here. Plenty of hangers for your clothes, a little safe, and an ironing board and iron. Very convenient. Oops, almost past the coffee machine. Ice bucket. And a nice little refrigerator. And first impressions, really solid. The space feels modern and clean with a nice city view. The bed was comfortable. The room has everything you need. Good Wi-Fi, plenty of outlets, and a smart TV. And I love this seating area right by the window. Perfect for planning our daily adventures or just relaxing after a long day of sightseeing. And a little space to hang up your handbags or jackets. The bathroom is well appointed with good lighting and plenty of counter space. The shower was nice and roomy, and it had some really nice smelling shampoo and soaps. Now let's go check out the rest of the amenities at this hotel. First stop, let's check out the fitness center. It's compact, but well equipped, with cardio machines, free weights, and some basic strength equipment. Nothing fancy, but definitely gets the job done if you want to maintain your workout routine while traveling. The space is clean and well maintained, which is always a plus as well. Okay, so we're here at the Chicago Bean. Got, yeah. What a trip. Hey, listen, while we've got your attention, I wanted to ask you if you would just be so kind as to subscribe. That'd be awesome. Now on to the video. Now this is one of my favorite features of this hotel. It's called The Corner. It's located on the 3rd floor, and I like to think of it as an extension of your room. Whether you need a quick snack before heading out or a cup of joe, The Corner has you covered. They had nuts laid out as well as some granola bars. Rachel grabbed one. And they also have a microwave and a water cooler there. And then on the island, they have fruit and then a full coffee and tea bar. As you can see, Rachel decided to grab a cup to go. Check with the front desk for hours, but I love this unique space. The atmosphere is modern and comfortable. But what I love most is this seating area.
It's perfect for getting some work done, having a casual meeting, or just relaxing with a coffee. The hotel also has a couple of dining options, including an open-air rooftop bar, appropriately called Air, which, not surprisingly, may be closed during those months where the air is too cold in Chicago. There's also Bandol Brasserie and Raw Bar, which brings a southern French coastal vibe right into downtown Chicago. While we ended up exploring Chicago's food scene with our son and his friends, including that incredible breakfast at Kasama's that I'll be reviewing separately, Bandol looked like a great option, whether you wanted a quick espresso and a pastry in the morning or a memorable dinner without leaving the hotel. All right, it's that time. Time for our TripGruv rating of the Hyatt Centric in Chicago. On a scale of 1 to 5 suitcases, where 5 suitcases means you never want to leave, our rating is based on 5 categories, from location to value. So here's our rating of the Hyatt Centric The Loop in Chicago. For location, we give it 4 suitcases. The location was great. We were walking distance to Millennium Park, the Bean, our architectural boat tour, and all the restaurants we wanted to try. Everything we wanted to see was either walkable or a quick ride away. As for family fun, we give it 3.5 suitcases. More business focused, but definitely works well for families on a city break. As for memorable, we give it 4 suitcases. Clean, modern rooms, and the corner really sets it apart. Would we return? 4 suitcases. Absolutely, especially compared to some of the more dated options in Chicago. As for value, 4.5 suitcases. Outstanding value, especially if you're using World of Hyatt points like we did. So that gives us a total rating of 4 out of 5 suitcases. The Hyatt Centric The Loop is a solid extended stay choice for your Chicago adventures. So that's it for our complete review of the Hyatt Centric The Loop Chicago. If you haven't already, please make sure to check out our main Chicago video about the 6 wedding story. And keep an eye out for our Kasama restaurant review coming soon. Until our next adventure, keep packing those suitcases and keep exploring the world. And of course, please like and subscribe if you'd like more honest travel reviews and family adventures.